guys, Steve here with my sister Cheryl again. BS Slot Cars, brother and sister slot cars that is. And today we're going to race the AFX Mega G Plus. This is the reigning champion, my Super Snake that she has yet to try to beat, right?
Yep.
So she decided to sneakily throw in another Super Snake. Camaro mustn't be up to the challenge. Anyhow.
Oh, it's up to the challenge. I'm just holding off.
Oh, she's holding off. She's graduating to her faster ones, I see. Is that what you're doing?
Maybe.
Oh, God. I see that finger. I know you're doing something. Anyhow, guys, we have these set up to run on a 1/32 scale track. I have these just glued on with the goop glue on the front, the braids. I have a video on that. I'll link it right up here so you can check it out. Works fine. You don't even have to solder them or nothing. You'll see how smooth they run too. Anyhow, we're going to do 2-minute heats in each lane, rotate, and count up the laps. And also, what are we running? 22 volts on these bad boys.
22.
22 big volts. And then we're running my custom-made tires I showed you guys. Well, some of you guys seen them. So let's get this set up. You ready?
Yeah, I tested them. They work pretty good.
You got your racing goggles on
I got
again?
the racing goggles on. Hopefully they bring me a little bit more luck.
All right, I'm in the white lane. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Cars to the starting line. There we go, guys. Super Snake Challenge. Oh, nice!
My God! What are the chances?
Both swamped each other out.
It'll
Right,
crash.
what color am I in?
White. What a couple of dummies.
That was a crap start. You ready?
Yeah.
Super Snake! I did it fast.
You're telling me.
Ah! Dang
I hit your
it!
car.
Just plopped off, went ploop. Stupid.
Whoa!
Stupid Snake! What are you doing? Breaking stuff? God, she's winning and she's breaking stuff.
Crashed one time too many.
This carpet foam needs to be over more. This overheats. Damn, you went through that turn quick.
Because I have the super duper seat.
Oh, it's a close one.
Blew it on there.
Oh, you stinker!
When you do that, I can't even see my car, so I immediately let off.
37 seconds while I blew it. Ready? Man, wait, yeah. Oh yeah, Super Snake! Wrong lane, wrong lane. I shouldn't have said nothing. See what a good brother I am?
Why would it messed you up anyway?
Yeah, but I would have got further ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. coming, sister. I heard it slap. Woo!
Blow those tires off.
Where were you on 14? What are you in, black?
Black.
Super snake the ground pretty good there, sister.
It's because it's like this. It just is like a ramp. It goes
25 seconds.
Ready?
Yep. Yes! Woo! 3 seconds left.
Ready?
Super snaking her in the lead.
Damn it.
Get nervous? Check that heart watch monitor. The snake has bitten. Woo! That's a close one. 31-31. Oh, my heart's pumping.
What are you in?
31-31. You're on
Oops.
7, and I'm on 13.
Lucky 13.
I gotta hold the lead now.
Crashed too many times.
Yeah, I think that one's the killer one. Alright, you go to white. Oh my god, your spoiler's coming
Hanging
off.
on by a thread.
You're in white, I'm in black.
Nice.
Oh, you already hooked it on? Oh, I gotta do a lap counter. This is a close one. It's a real close one. Alright. We're both tied up, 31 laps. I'm in head. I gotta stay in head or I'm gonna be losing. So I gotta make sure I stay in head. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Don't go yet. You ready? 2 minutes left. I gotta stay in head. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. Whew, I barely went through the counter. What are you in, black or white? White?
Yeah, white.
My heart's starting to go. I better calm
I
down.
blew it.
I gotta calm down.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, my heart. Super snake. Coming through. Oh, no! Talking the smack. Talking the smack. I gotta stop talking the smack. Ready? And now she's coming up on me. Jersey. She's got turbo. I hope that the GoPro got that beauty of a crash.
Damn it.
Oh, my heart.
I'm not going to have enough time.
Oh, my God. Wait. If you feel my heart, feel my heart.
It's like I can feel it beating in your chest.
Holy God.
I'm on the wrong side.
Oh, you in the right lane? You're in white?
White.
It's 20 seconds.
You're not.
Yeah, I'm in black.
Oh, okay.
20 seconds left. I gotta hold this lead up, guys. I'm so nervous. I am so nervous.
You ready?
Yeah. I'm so nervous. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! 13 seconds left. Oh, I think I'm having heart problems, Elizabeth. Where the hell is it?
I don't know. I blew it.
Oh my God.
Damn.
Where's your car? I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Behind everything. Oh.
Definitely using this one to get it to worth it.
What color are you in?
White.
All right, wait a minute. Where were you? Here? You fell off here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. My heart. Even 20 was enough time, right?
I know.
You don't really, even this, your 13 seconds, you could probably still do it. I'm not getting up.
Ready?
Uh-huh. I'm so scared.
Pushed it too hard.
I'm so scared. Eight seconds left. No. 4, 3. I should have went faster. I let you catch up too much. Look, if yours would have rolled. Holy smokes. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you can see it. That's me. That's her. It's literally that far away. So you could have passed me.
Dang it.
I let up a little too. I should have pushed it more. I didn't think
I pushed it too much.
So 13 seconds, you could really pass the guy up. See, I just let off a little bit too much. I thought I was going to have it in the bag. I almost lost because I did that. Whew. So now I know at 13 seconds with HO cars, you've got to still keep going.
Yeah. I blew it. I crashed, what, twice in the last 30
My heart
seconds?
is gone. I'm gone. Holy crow. I had
lucky, brother, you get to keep that trophy.
We both got 31 laps. Oh, my heart.
So it's 62 laps each. And wherever we are.
62 laps.
A car length away.
I got you literally by 1. I got her by 2 car lengths. Woo! Super Snake Stools, the champ to be beaten in the HO class, baby.
I'm going to use her again.
Oh, my God. Oh, where's my trophy, me?
I don't know. Where
trophy.
Is it? I don't know where it is. It's
gone. Yeah, it's gone because it's for me. It's right there.
It's
right there.
Here's your damn trophy.
Look at the damn thing. There it is, guys. We're crazy. No wonder why people like watching us right there. They hit you over the head with the damn trophy. Anyhow, Super Snake is the champion. He's still the champion for HO.
Damn it.
She gotta beat him.
That close.
2 car lengths.
Okay, that close.
All right. I hope you enjoyed that race, guys. That was
We're running it again
crazy, super close. My heart was pounding. I almost had a heart attack. I'm not going to lie. That was good, wasn't it?
It was good.
Whew, never, ever
give up.
stop, even with 13 seconds left, because you let up a little bit, think you got it in the bag. If hers would have rolled a little bit further,
that would have been it.
You would have got
Damn,
me.
I knew I had my brake on too much.
Anyhow, guys, this was a lot of fun. these things fly. My new tires work like beauties
Yeah, I
on
think
there.
they're great.
Yeah, they grip really good. You can floor it like sometimes around that big turn.
Yeah, in the one lane, the
Yeah.
outside.
That
I
was
tried it
awesome.
on the inside. That's
Plop.
when it went.
Yeah, look, I put the skeleton there. Anyhow, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this race. I know we had a blast doing this one. This one was really fun. And check out the community tab. We put cars up there for you guys to choose for the next race. And we appreciate you watching, right?
Yeah.
What do they got to do?
Click like and subscribe.
And leave us all the good stuff and helps us out in the channel. And we'll see you next time at the races.
See ya.
It's mine. Woo! Oh, let me put it here.
Ooh.
Can't win them all.
No.
Oh, that was close.
That was good.